We are
SIAN.
And we're here to teach you a Gaelic song.
Ooh!
You'll probably know this song in English already.
And if you don't, who cares? This version is better anyway.
So, who wants to go first?
I'll do the honours. So, this is verse 1 of Sàmhach in Oidhch. And I'll sing it for you first. Sàmhach in Oidhch, never Oidhch, sònraichte feumach vor sònraichte, mar is Joseph stapel fast, fare os kjonen lenne vlegrag, katel kunjevi shef, katel kunjevi shef. So, the first line is Sàmhach in Oidhch, nev in Oidhch. Try that with me. Sàmhach in Oidhch, nev in Oidhch. So, Sàmhach in Oidhch, nev in Oidhch. The second line. Sul na chatel feumach vor sònraichte. The second line again. Sul na chatel feumach vor sònraichte. And you can try that with me. Sul na chatel feumach vor sònraichte. So the first two lines together we have Sàmhach in Oidhch, nev in Oidhch, sul na chatel feumach vor sònraichte. And then the third line is Mother is Joseph in stapel fast. Mother is Joseph in stapel fast. Let's try that together. Mother is Joseph in stapel fast. Okay, that's the third line. And then the fourth line is Fare os kjoen in lennev vlegrag. Fare os kjoen in lennev vlegrag. Try that with me. Fare os kjoen in lennev vlegrag. So the two lines that we've just learnt there. Mother is Joseph in stapel fast. Fare os kjoen in lennev vlegrag. So, let's try all four lines together, and then we've only got two more to go. Sàmhach in Oidhch, nev in Oidhch, sul na chatel feumach vor sònraichte. Mother is Joseph in stapel fast, fare os kjoen in lennev vlegrag. And then the next two lines, line 5 and 6, are really easy because they're the same words. So they are Catal gu nevi shev. Catal gu nevi shev. Let's try that together. Catal gu nevi shev. So they're the same words for line 5 and 6. Catal gu nevi shev, catal gu nevi shev. So that's the whole of the first verse. Let's try saying it all together and then we can sing it all together. Sàmhach in Oidhch, nev in Oidhch, sul na chatel feumach vor sònraichte. Mother is Joseph in stapel fast. Fare os kjoen in lennev vlegrag. Catal gu nevi shev. Catal gu nevi shev. Okay, let's sing it. Sàmhach nevenaich, sònraichte amach var seis, mar is seven stapel fast. Faras ciwn yn lenaf le graag, cadal gwniefi sef, cadal gwniefi sef.
Don't forget to join us for part 2 with the Cormac Queen.